researching family history and have ANC genealogy files? This format stores family tree data from various genealogy applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access these Ancestry family tree files for genealogical research. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized ANC file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. A user with an ANC file is almost certainly a genealogist or family historian using Family Tree Maker software. They are trying to open a backup or shared copy of their family tree research, which contains names, dates, relationships, and historical records. The goal is to view, edit, or merge this genealogical data. The ANC format is a proprietary database file created by Family Tree Maker. It is designed to store complex, relational genealogical data in a structured, binary format. This design ensures data integrity and allows for efficient querying and management of thousands of interconnected records, including individuals, events, and sources. Official support for ANC is primarily provided through Family Tree Maker from Software Makiev. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the ANC file and select Open With. Try Family Tree Maker first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If your ANC file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Given the proprietary nature of this ANC file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, opening in Genealogy software. Identify the genealogy application that created the ANC file from documentation or research history. Install the appropriate software and open the ANC file directly. Genealogy applications like Family Tree Maker Legacy, Family Tree or Roots Magic, each use specific formats requiring matching software for proper access. Next, converting to GAD-COM. Genealogy software supports GAD-COM, the Universal Genealogy Interchange format. Within the original application, export ANC data to GED-COM format. The resulting file imports into virtually all genealogy applications, providing universal family tree data exchange across different research tools and platforms. Finally, using free alternatives. Free genealogy applications like Gramps and Family Searches, free desktop tools, may import GED-COM converted from ANC files. These free tools provide ongoing genealogy research capabilities without requiring expensive commercial software, while maintaining full family tree functionality and source documentation features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.